What is going on YouTube? This is Naval Fearless here today bringing you guys a new video. I'm going to be sniper himing with the USR. Hopefully we do pretty sweet with the USR. I love the USR, great sniper. But I love especially sniping with it on Strike Zone. It's my favorite map ever to snipe with on it. I'm gonna hard scope, so deal with it. If you don't like that, sorry bro. Don't. Hopefully that doesn't bother you. No, I'm just kidding. I'm using the Bison right now because that made me mad already. But yeah. Sorry I didn't really upload today. I'm uploading really late, and that is because of the fact that I was with Salvage and I was chilling out with friends and stuff. So yeah. So that's why I was busy and could not upload for his channel. Whoa. Bro, getting a little hectic here. Getting a little hectic. Oh my goodness. Don't kill me. No. What the fuck? Fine. Yep. Ooh, I'm really mad because there's always a delay every time I record now. Great. I need to figure that out. Sorry, YouTube. We'll fix stuff eventually, yo. Oh, thought you were a bad guy, but you weren't. Troll. Just messing with me, I see. Oh, how you doing? How you doing? Okay. How you doing? Yeah, I don't even know why I drop shotted you. What are you doing, buddy? Where are you guys, like, honestly? Oh crap, they're gonna be coming in here for days. Where'd he go? Oh my god. I'm just gonna call in this care package here. Oof. Aw, damn, dude. What's in my care package? Care package? Yeah, I don't even know what I'm saying. I got a battle hind. Give me the battle hind. Get out of here. No. Dude, what are you doing? Oh my god. If anyone has a HD PVR2 gaming edition, is there any way you know how to make the commentary get off delayed? Just like, if you could let me know in the comments, that'd be pretty sweet. Cause I don't know, I just feel as if it'd get annoying after a while. Having me talk like 5 minutes, 5 seconds, no, I think it's like I don't even know what the delay is, but having me talk a couple seconds before, oh my god, dude, I just keep freaking dying. I almost left the game accidentally, what the fudge. Let's go inside here, you go first, and then I go, and then I die. See, just great. Why you do this? Why you do this to me? Why you do this? Bro, get out of here. Get out. Go. Leave. How am I doing so bad with the best gun in the fucking game? Oh my god. I get more kills as a sniper now ever than I do with this gun in this game mode. Why is there so... Oh my god. You know, kids are gonna pop out through here, so why not just prep. I don't know if that was going for me. It was not. We is lucky. Oh man, dude. Oh man. Dude, what? That was some crazy shit. Some crazy shit. Set rotate, so we got this. We just got this. Oof, 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 oof. Oof, oof. Fearless takes the hard point. No, I'm just kidding. Dude, every time I upload for you guys, I do so freaking shitty. Oh my god, I'm sorry. Dude, this has only been 5 minutes. You know what? I'll just do another gameplay here for ya. Alright. Depending on the maps, anyway. Because if they're shit maps, then I don't know if I would like to play Xbox. Man, I'm tired, mister. Oh, free fall in Warhawk. I want to play some Warhawk, yo. Even though I always play Warhawk. Fuck, what am I doing here? I don't even need streaks on yet. You like that clan? Pretty badass. Oh my god. We need to rebuild our clan. I don't know why I'm so friggin' tired. Like, it's bothering me. I'm sorry, I'm probably a really boring commentator right now. Just talking over, I don't know, out of my ass almost. I really would wish this game would start up a little earlier. How's the Vepr? Is it even any good? Let's use the AK to start shit off the right way here. Okay, we's got this. What? Oh, ooh, pop your head through, pop your head through. Head on. How you doing? Oh my god, why you come from behind me? That's not fair. Oh, how you doing, teammate? I don't know why I'm shooting at you. Sorry, young man. I'm sorry. I'm sorry. I'm not gonna challenge you. No way, sir. Ooh. Get out my way. I do not invite you to my house. I hate this drop zone, dude. It's probably the worst part on the map for drop zone. Oh no, dude. Sentry, I didn't know you were shooting at me. Damn it. A Helo Scout, let's grizz some kids. No. Oh my god, dude. Why am I freaking sitting there going for a Helo Scout? Wasting my time. How you doing? Oh, what, dude? What is that bullshit? Bro. Oh my god. Dude, these kids are scrubs. I just so knifed you, bro. I am definitely not host. What? Oh my god, dude. Why? Let's take the fat. No, don't shoot me. Get out of here. I did not invite you. I saw him pop his head through. That's a her. Oh my god, dude. Every fucking video I record for you guys. Now I'm just like raging. Dude. Let's just get me really mad here with all this like explosions and the the die-in and the yeah. Honestly, a good start. Trinity Rocket kill me. Yep. I love this game. Whew. How you doing? How you doing? Young lad. Probably older than me, but that's okay. How you doing? No, what? Oh my god, dude. What the fuck was that? Dude. What? Alright, you know. I don't know what's worse, either the tracker or the fucking target finder. Jesus. That's the same kid? Does he have like God mode or something? He just doesn't fucking die. Dude. He doesn't fucking die. Oh man. What? Dude, no one dies. Oh my freaking god, dude, I feel like I'm shooting paintball guns at these kids. Good, no one's camping over here. Made my day. Oof, 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 I almost died. The paintball guns, the paintball guns. Dude, finally you die. Oh my, dude. What is wrong with this game? This game is broken. That's what I thought, yo. Get out of here. Get out. That's what I thought, Bison. Go to work. What you got? Oh, he's up top here. What are you doing up here, buddy? Okay, I guess he might not be up top. No. Okay. Is that a guy in a Helo Scout? Yep. Seems as if that's what it is. Alright, yep. There's kids up there. There's kids down there. There's kids over there. Kids everywhere. Is he up here still? Damn it, I wanted to knife him. Shit. Oh my god, dude. I better be able to kill someone. I'm gonna put that IMS right on top of this hard point. Not hard point. Same freaking thing. Maybe he did outgun me because he did have a Remington. Oof. Oh my. What? Fuck you. Fuck, no. 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 Just, oh my god, this game, dude. Alright, let's pull out the sniper. Because, you know, that one shots everything. Wrong sniper, but it will do. It'll do. Oh yeah? There we go. Oh my god, where'd he go? Dude, where'd that kid go? Did he seriously run away from me? Where'd you go? Oh, you fucking meatball, dude. Dude. This game is crazy bad. Just kidding. I'm really tired. I know I have excuses for everything, dude. But still, this is just, no. Eat the Remington, bitch. Eat the Remington. I just knifed you. You should... Fucking bitch. That's what I thought, how a wise guy kill them with their weapons. Huh, I'm pretty smart, huh? Don't kill me, sentry gun. It's not fair. Wait, are you okay, dog? Bro. You right? Okay, fine. Alright, I totally get that, yo. They're just trying to do that Chris Angel shit on me. Oh, we got ballistic vests over here. Oh my. Great place to put a fucking ballistic vest team. What? Dude, this game though. I saw good. Oh my god, he's laying down right there. I'm going negative, bro. I haven't gone negative in the longest time. But you know, paintball guns, dude. I feel like I'm fucking playing World at War co-op campaign. Bitch. I'll take this vulture though. Dude. No one invited you. Get out of here. Get out. Leave. You're not wanted. I'll take this and kill you with it. Oh my goodness. 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 Alright. Oh, there's a guy over there. I'll fix that. What are you doing? What are you doing? I want the Moz launcher here. Can I shoot like a care package? Alright, you know what? There's shit tons of guys right on top of here. So we will shoot them. Did I get any kills? Dude, this is crazy. What the fuck, dude? Alright, you know what? This is how good we are, guys. This is really how good we are. Honestly. We're this good. We are this good. Oh my god. Oh, that's a bad guy. That's a bad guy. How you doing? I'm just gonna try to get the guy behind you. Ooh, oof, oof, oof. Now we're tearing shit up. Now we're tearing shit up. Oh my god. Well, if you guys actually stayed through this whole video, I'm surprised you did. Hopefully you did enjoy these gameplays, and you know, if it makes you want to go paintballing, then I hopefully hope, I don't know what to say, you just go have fun paintballing.